Does comparative negligence reduce my slip and fall payout? If you have ever slipped and fallen, you may wonder how your actions affect the compensation you can receive. This is where the concept of comparative negligence comes into play. It is a legal principle that helps determine how much fault each party shares in an accident. When you file a slip and fall claim, the court or jury looks at the situation to see how much blame falls on you versus the property owner. Let's say you slipped on a wet floor in a store. If the court finds you were 20% responsible for not paying attention, and the store was 80% at fault for not putting up warning signs, your payout will be adjusted. You would receive 80% of the total damages awarded to you, reflecting your percentage of fault. Different states have different rules regarding comparative negligence. Many states follow modified comparative negligence. This means you can still recover damages as long as your fault is below 50% or 51%, depending on the state. If you are found to be equally or more at fault than the property owner, you might not receive any compensation at all. Some states use pure comparative negligence. In these states, you can recover damages even if you are mostly at fault. For instance, if you are found to be 90% at fault, you can still receive 10% of the total damages. A few states still follow contributory negligence, which is stricter. If you are even 1% at fault, you cannot recover any damages. In slip and fall cases, property owners and insurance companies often argue that you share some responsibility. They might claim that the hazard was obvious, that you were distracted, or that you wore inappropriate footwear. These arguments aim to increase your assigned fault and reduce your payout. To protect your rights in a slip and fall claim, it is essential to document everything. Take photos and videos of the accident scene, showing the hazard that caused your fall. Gather witness statements that support your version of events. Keep detailed medical records of your injuries and how they impact your life. You should also demonstrate how the property owner failed to maintain safe conditions or warn you about dangers. Understanding how comparative negligence works can help you and your attorney prepare a strong case. This preparation can help counter any claims that you share fault and maximize your potential payout in a slip and fall personal injury case.